Judge Simpson thought this would be a normal court hearing until the defendant started accusing him of violating his constitutional rights and making shocking statements. But things got even crazier when another defendant began making unbelievable conspiracy claims in open court. What happens next is absolutely wild.
Hey Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional rights. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems.
I'm appearing sui juris. You is not my attorney. That's not working for me. We got a whole issue. All my constitutional rights have been violated. I want it on the record. I was arrested by a lie. I want it on the record.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to stop this. I directed this defendant to be in this courthouse in person.
I got a bad back, sir.
And he is not here in person.
Sir, I
am not going to sit here and listen to him ramble on and on about everything.
Oh, really?
I don't mind hearing from people, but I tell you, if you're going to say it all, you're going to say it to my face. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. No bond.
I am here.
We'll get him here.
I got a medical issue.
You can mute him. Thank you, Mr. Kilowog.
Okay, Judge. Thank you. Judge, if I may say, he does have some medical issues. That being said, all I wanted to do was set it for exam.
Well, when he gets here and graces our doorstep, I'll be more than happy to set it.
All right, I'll bring my constitutional book. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Kilowog. Court does call the case. People versus Gary Coward.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hey Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional rights. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems. Yeah, I bet you it did log out. Get that number. It will have the full number. We'll go find him. Get the detective bureau on that, please. All right, let's go. You don't want to come up here now, do you? I know. He's just standing there like, man, I just call my name. I'm just up
Do
here.
you want me to contact the detective bureau for you?
Pardon?
Do you want me to reach out to the DB?
I think he answered.
Okay. Got it.
Your name, sir?
Gary Coward.
And who's representing Mr. Coward? Mr. Burgess?
I am. Sorry, Your Honor. Good morning. Good afternoon. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Gary Coward. I'm appearing via Zoom, Judge, because it seems a little scary in your courtroom today. So.
Wow. I'm calm.
My client is present, Your Honor. He's raising no constitutional issues, and he is a citizen of the United States.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Trevor Maysville.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, could you please state your name for the record?
Ralph Wilson.
What will we do?
Your Honor, we are asking for a brief adjournment in this matter for see if we can get any negotiations going. In addition to that, because of how his phones accepts incoming calls, we were not able to act yesterday. So the first time I've had the opportunity to speak with him is, or not yesterday, Tuesday. The first time I've had the opportunity to speak with him is today.
All right. Before I give you your date, there's a violation report. Have you seen it?
No, Your Honor. May I approach?
It's a scram tamper.
May I approach?
Oh, I don't know.
So, Your Honor, in speaking with my client, he has indicated he is not drinking. He has not been drinking. The only thing he can think is happening is that his job and what do you do for a living?
Custodian. I'm on diabetic. I mean, I'm on disability, but I work for First United Methodist Church downtown Ipsy behind the transit. And I work with a whole lot of chemical. I mean, I wash my hand, but I do use hand sanitizer. So when I got the ankle bracelet on November the 10th, the lady put it on, but she put it on this one on my right leg too tight. So when I got out the next day, I went over there and they took it off my right leg and put it on here, but it's on my bone. And so the only thing I did, no one tell me anything. So I just took a piece of tissue and tried to put down there, keep it off my bone.
And so he did go in, Your Honor. He had it adjusted because of this comfort he was having. So they have subsequently loosened it for him. They did.
Subsequent to what day?
So
It had to be I went on the 10th, so probably the 14th or the 16th. And that's when I asked the officer
At what time did you do that?
I went over there. That's when I paid. I think I paid like 20 something. Yeah, $20. That's when one officer, he took it off my right foot and put it on my left. And I told him, I explained to him, I told him, I said, yeah, it was on my bone. And I took some tissue and put down there trying to, because it was swollen. He took it off and he put some of that thing on there, charged it back up. And then prior to that.
Does he want a hearing on this? Because I'm not believing anything he's telling me.
Want a hearing on the fact that you. Yes, Your Honor. My client would be asking for a hearing. He's saying he's not used alcohol. The only thing he has done is use some things that he has to use for his job, which he can bring in to show the court. So yes, he's asking for a hearing.
What kinds of chemicals is he talking about?
I mean, I use soap, pine soap, stuff to clean the toilet with. I mean, but I haven't drunk nothing. I even told the man over there that I sign my own self up at the church every Thursday at 7 o'clock to go to AA. So I haven't drunk nothing.
It doesn't even make any sense.
Yeah.
Your Honor, can he take an ETG test?
Well, at some point he might be able to, but right now, I'm a bit concerned with what he's telling me, that there's somehow or another a chemical that's doing that. And if that's the case, we would have readings all over the place because it would work more than just one day, right?
And Your Honor, I don't have what the readings are. I know that what this report is saying is that on November 16th and on November 14th, were those days?
Yeah.
Okay, so he can tell you that he was at work on those days. None of these other days has he tested positive for anything on because he's not doing anything.
And those are two days
that they're a tamper.
So he's going to acknowledge he put something in between that and his skin because of the discomfort.
And I told them that.
He did admit that.
Yeah.
He just was doing it to put a cushion though, because it was digging into his skin. And again, they have and there was a bruise, which is why they moved it from the one leg to the other leg. And so it has been adjusted. So he's not in quite the discomfort that he was in.
Why was he talking about an alcohol reading?
I'm sorry, why was he telling you?
Why was he telling them about an alcohol reading?
No, he did not. Apparently they told him that there was alcohol detected, and he said the only thing he can think of, it's the chemicals that he's working with because he's not been drinking.
And I bathed with a native soap. I mean, the lady that put it on, she told me, go on Amazon and get, order something with no soap.
No alcohol.
And no alcohol. And the native, it don't have alcohol in it. And that's all I use. Besides the toothpaste that I run on the 10th of November out home. That's what I use to brush my teeth with. Now that got alcohol in it. I got that at home. That's what I use. And like I said,
well, when I'm looking closely, I don't see an alcohol reading.
And I was going to say, Your Honor, I can't see any of it.
Which is why I'm trying to figure out why were they discussing and why was he stating that the alcohol reading came from chemicals.
Gary Coward appeared in court by video and became upset, claiming that his constitutional rights had been violated. He also made a statement toward Judge Simpson that the judge took as a possible threat. The judge stopped the discussion and ordered that Coward be brought to court in person. Later, Coward's lawyer explained that his client had medical issues and had been having problems with his ankle monitor. He said the monitor had been too tight, causing swelling and a bruise, so Coward placed tissue under it for comfort. The monitor later showed possible alcohol-related tampering. Coward denied drinking and said the reading could have been caused by chemicals or cleaning products he used at work. His lawyer requested a hearing to address the violation.